Hey everybody, Josh with TrueCraft here, and I am excited about what's in the box. It is the newest oven from Ooni Pizza Ovens. It's the Ooni Karu 16. Ooni has the Karu 12 currently. This is a 16. This is bigger. It's multi-fuel. You can use wood, coal, or throw in a gas adapter and run it off propane. Let's see what's in the box. Whoa, what is that? Feels substantial. There's a lot in here. Here it is. All right, I'm gonna put this on the ground and pick it up. You and I will look at it at the exact same time. Whew. I told you, it's big. Oh, I see that it's, wow. So even though it is Karu in name, it is Fyra or Coda in design as far as just this powder coated top. That's really nice. This looks like top to the chimney. Usually all the goodies are packed in here. Looks like screws. This looks like something that goes on the back. This is the backdraft preventer essentially. So this is gonna go on the back of the oven, so when you are changing the airflow by taking a door off or opening up the fuel hatch, this will prevent the flames from leaving the oven. It's this. This is the door. Holy smokes. For those of you out there who've had Oonis before with doors on them, whoa, that's fantastic. Big glass window, really nice handle. It's heavy duty too. All right, I know that's the chimney. This is the back door. So this goes on the fuel hatch. Oh, very nice. Same style as that door, so really nice painted door. Heavy duty too, insulated, fantastic. Big oven, bigger pieces of wood, better fires. This is cool. Oh, look at that, the firebox is already in there. Wow, that is a big place to stack your wood, your coal. That's really nice. Got a really cool system here, so all that ash drops down, so the hot coals or wood stay up top, but you get rid of all of that junk at the bottom, and then when you're done with it, dump it out. Very awesome. So this is just gonna slide right back in here. What I noticed, the damper system on this, it's different than what I'm used to. This one, rather than it being like a daisy wheel that you spin, it's a horizontal slider. Lots of differences. Even though it's an Ooni Karu 16, it's really nothing like the Ooni Karu, except that it's multi-fuel. This opening here, this is tall. I don't know the specs on it, but this reminds me of the Pro. I love cooking bread in my Ooni Pro. It's high enough to accommodate that. So this is kind of like the marriage between the Pro and the Ooni Karu. What is this? This has batteries in it. Holy smokes. It's a thermometer. This has a thermometer and it can tell me how hot it is in there without having to open the door. Now that is a cool innovation. All right, I'm back because I was putting this together and I noticed a few things I wanted to show you. I found the stone. This goes at the back of your main stone. Look at that. All right, all that's left to do is drop this massive stone in here, and that's it. Took me maybe 3 to 4 minutes. What's great about this door is this is coated for a reason. So when that goes down, that's gonna prevent it from being hot. That's gonna keep it off your table. The last thing I noticed, it has a vent. That is super cool. My guess is that that's to take some of the soot that normally builds up during combustion when using wood and coal and to push it out and around the glass so you still have a really cool place to sit there and watch your pizzas without opening the window. I am pumped to get cooking on this. Holy smokes, this thing is awesome.